Good morning. It is raining, not hard, gently raining. I had to pack up the tent wet today, but there are worse things than packing up the tent wet. Well, I had to switch to my phone because apparently my those batteries in that GoPro, they tend to be really finicky when it comes to weather. They decided to dump on me this morning and I didn't realize it, so now I gotta fish a new battery out, but it's a big climb up to get it out. So morning word is on the phone today. We are setting out on our last full day before we hit the canyon. We actually probably will see the canyon today if the clouds clear off. You can see in the sky, kind of dark. It was moist packing up, but we got it done anyways. We're all fueled up, we're all dressed, and now we're at the gate for the tower. Hopefully we get to see the tower. Hopefully we get to climb the tower and see things out of it.
Hi!
We definitely get to take charge. And for some bizarre reason, every time I get this man on film, he's got a grouchy look on his face.
Grudgy?
Look, smile. See, he's just miserably walking away from the camera. See? It appears that it's trying to hail on us. Confusingly, there's also sunlight. Oh well. Marching on. The old corral next to the tank. The old wooden fences. In typical fashion today, the rain and the hail have stopped, and the sun's come out, making our rain jackets intolerable. Fun day. There it is, the Grand Canyon peeking out from the trees. Look at that. Be there in a jiffy. So I guess that's the old fire watchtower's house, which may or may not be still in use actually, because there's a propane tank over there. And then we look way up and there's a watchtower. Shall we go and have a look? Well, there you go. A Grand Canyon. Or at least the beginning of it. There's that house. And there's our friends down there. Well, hello. I'm inside my tent, as you can see. We pulled up short, looking at a big gray cloud coming in, and thought we better pitch. Even though we were planning to go till 5:30, we ended up stopping at about 4:45, and got ourselves in our tents because the rain is here. It's been off and on all day, but we just figured, we're getting close to time anyways. We've already got the kilometers or the miles in that we wanted to today. So yeah, I think we ended up around 23, somewhere 22 or 23 miles, which is fine. So that means we got a nice short day tomorrow to get into the canyon village, do a little bit of resupply, pick up some mail. I think we're gonna have breakfast at in Tucson there before we head in too, so we'll probably get some fast food. Maybe some McMuffins, be super tasty. But yeah, today was chilly. Today felt like yesterday was supposed to be. Yesterday turned out to be quite nice, but today was chilly, off and on rain. We got the hail obviously a little bit. So yeah, it was a challenging weather day, but pretty easy miles like they've been up in this plateau. So grateful for that, and getting the mind ready for the canyon probably the day after tomorrow. So yeah.